Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a look at the EGQINR 4K Smart Glasses, a wearable device that combines smart eyewear, an AI assistant, a built-in camera, open-ear audio, and real-time translation into a single pair of glasses. If you've ever wondered whether smart glasses can actually replace carrying several different gadgets, this product certainly makes an interesting case. So, is it really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in everyday use? And why are so many people becoming interested in AI-powered smart glasses? Let's break it all down. The first thing you'll notice is the integrated 8-megapixel camera. While the product name references 4K photography, the glasses record video at up to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. For everyday POV recording, travel memories, walking tours, cycling, work documentation, or casual vlogging, that's a practical resolution that keeps storage requirements manageable while delivering smooth footage. The built-in electronic stabilization helps reduce small shakes during movement for more watchable recordings. One of the biggest attractions is the AI functionality. Instead of pulling out your phone every few minutes, you can access an AI assistant directly through the glasses for quick questions, object recognition, voice interaction, and other supportive features. This hands-free experience makes daily tasks feel much more natural, especially when you're walking, traveling, or multitasking. Depending on the companion app, features like object recognition and translation require a connected smartphone. Speaking of travel, these glasses include real-time translation supporting over 130 languages. That's impressive for international travel, business meetings, or communicating with people who speak different languages. The translation response is designed to be extremely fast, making conversations much smoother than constantly typing into a phone translator. Audio is handled through an open-ear speaker design. Rather than blocking your ears with earbuds, the speakers direct sound toward you while still allowing awareness of your surroundings. That makes them useful for listening to music, taking Bluetooth calls, navigation prompts, or interacting with the AI assistant without completely isolating yourself from the environment. Connectivity is powered by Bluetooth 5.4, providing stable wireless performance with compatible Android and iPhone devices. Faster pairing, improved power efficiency, and reliable connections help keep audio and smart features running smoothly throughout the day. Battery performance is another important specification. The glasses use a 300 mAh lithium-ion battery and are rated for approximately 7 hours of typical use. When it's time to recharge, the magnetic charging system takes roughly 1.5 hours to reach full capacity, making it convenient between work sessions or travel days. The glasses are also built with IP65 water resistance, which means they can handle dust and light rain without issue. While they aren't designed for swimming or full water immersion, that level of protection makes them practical for everyday outdoor activities. Another thoughtful addition is eye comfort. The package includes interchangeable blue light blocking lenses for indoor computer work and separate sunglass lenses for outdoor use. Instead of owning multiple pairs of glasses, users can simply swap lenses depending on where they're going. Storage is handled through built-in memory, allowing captured photos and videos to be saved directly on the device before transferring them to a smartphone. Combined with touch controls, physical buttons, voice commands, Bluetooth calling, and music playback, the glasses aim to provide a complete wearable experience in a familiar eyewear form factor. In terms of everyday use, the EGQINR Smart Glasses are designed for commuters, travelers, content creators, business users, and anyone who prefers hands-free technology. Instead of carrying separate headphones, translation devices, action cameras, and blue light glasses, many of those features are combined into a single wearable. Overall, the EGQINR 4K Smart Glasses pack together AI assistants, an 8MP camera, Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, open-ear audio, real-time translation in more than 130 languages, IP65 durability, interchangeable lenses, and up to 7 hours of battery life. It's a feature-rich wearable that showcases just how much technology can now fit into an everyday pair of glasses. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.